This is a demonstration of our transit system for bus and rail and for tollways. We're here at the APTA show in Houston, Texas. So I'm going to take you in our booth, show you our equipment. This is the most popular for our transit because it allows us to dispense 4 different types of transit cards with either coins, cash, or credit card. Real simple, just take your credit card, swipe it. It'll tell you it goes out wirelessly.
Please choose the desired product. Thank you and goodbye.
And you have your transit card. Then we have over here our tollway machines. This is a larger version. It has both credit card and cash. And over here, pure credit card. How this system works is it has shelves inside where you stack up 24 or 36 of the Easy Pass modules like this, called transponders. There's a gear motor drive, modem going out on the Verizon network. Again, like the other, you simply swipe your card.
Welcome to the confirmation.
It's a matter of only seconds. It goes out, does the handshake, sends back the signal, and drops the
Goodbye.
transponder ready to go. Throw it in your dash and keep driving. This concludes our video.